Hey there, and welcome to the editing desk. Look, since you're sitting here as my new assistant, you already know the frustration of standard AI video tools. You've hit the paywalls, you've stared down those giant, ugly watermarks, and you've definitely winced at robotic voices that sound like a GPS from 2008. But today, we're ditching all of that. In today's explainer, I'm going to walk you through the real tricks of the trade. We're building a complete, long-form AI video pipeline with consistent characters, original voiceover, and original music, all for exactly $0.
If we did this the quote-unquote standard way, we'd be absolutely bleeding budget. Runway ML for video? $15 minimum. Synthesia for avatars? $22. 11 Labs for a decent voice? $5. Artlist for music? Another 10. You're looking at $52 a month just for the absolute bare minimum. So how are we getting this entire pipeline for free? Well, it's simple. Giant tech companies like Google and Meta are subsidizing it. They want you trapped in their ecosystems using Google Flow, Gemini AI Studio, and Meta AI. The catch is that none of these platforms offer a complete workflow all by themselves. You have to connect the dots. And that's exactly what you're going to learn today. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is your strict chronological syllabus for the day. 1. The $0 blueprint. 2. Creating consistent characters. 3. Animating the video. 4. Audio and final assembly. And 5. The 1-minute shortcut and reality check. All right, part 1, the $0 blueprint. This is all about pre-production with Google Gemini. Listen to me closely on this one. Every single successful edit starts with a master blueprint. If you try to just wing your prompts on the fly, you're going to end up with a disjointed mess. So here is your very first action. Open Google Gemini. We use a custom gem, which is basically just a saved prompt template that's designed to generate our entire video blueprint in one single shot. You just type create, feed it your core idea, and boom. Want to make it unique? Just drop in a style keyword. If you tell it cyberpunk style, the AI will automatically shift the story, the visuals, and the music to match that gritty neon aesthetic. Now, that single prompt is going to spit out 5 very specific sections for us. 1. The full narration script. 2. The visual prompts for your scenes. 3. Detailed character prompts. 4. Video prompts outlining motion and action. And 5. The background music prompt. Seriously, this is your cheat code. Having these 5 outputs neatly organized is exactly how we keep everything perfectly connected across the different platforms we're about to jump into. Moving on to part 2. Creating consistent characters. We're anchoring your casts in Google Flow. Okay, this brings us to the absolute hardest part of AI video, keeping your main character from looking like 5 completely different people. To solve this, we set up our anchors. Open Google Flow and create a new project. You're going to go back to that Gemini output we just made, grab the character descriptions from section 3, and paste them right into Flow. Now, make sure you select either the Google Banana Pro or Banana 2 models. They're the latest ones and frankly give the absolute best quality. Run it, pick your favorite result, and download the 2 best images. Keep these safe. They are your reference anchors, and they are literally critical for the next automated step. All right, meet our first crucial third-party tool, VO Automation. It's a totally free Chrome extension. Basically, it automates the incredibly tedious image-to-image generation process right inside Google Flow. Instead of you losing your mind doing this manually, scene by scene, this little tool acts as your personal production assistant. Now, what's really interesting about this is how the extension does the heavy lifting. You open it up inside Flow, navigate to image, and paste in the visual prompts from section 2 of your blueprint. Then upload those anchor images you just saved. Hit run. The extension systematically generates your scenes while using your anchor images to force the AI to keep the character's face consistent. You'll get roughly 80% character consistency across your folder of scene images, which honestly is the holy grail for free AI video. Okay, part 3, animating the video. Let's bring those images to life with Meta AI. So, we've got a folder full of static, consistent images. Time to get them moving. We're relying on Meta AI for this, because it's free and unlimited. But if you use Meta Site manually, they slap a giant, ugly watermark right across your video. No thanks. To bypass that, we use our second secret weapon, the Meta Automation Chrome extension. It uses their frame-to-video generator, but magically strips the watermark the second it downloads your file. Clean, professional clips for $0. But hey, do not get sloppy here. Log into meta.ai and open the extension. Select Frame to Video. And here is the golden rule. You must upload your images and your Section 4 video prompts in small batches of 2.
just 2 at a time. Match the prompt to the image, hit run, and just let the extension do its job, delivering those clean clips straight to your hard drive.
Section 4. Audio and Final Assembly. This is where Google AI Studio and some CapCut elbow grease come in.
All right, visuals are done. Now we shift to audio and then hit the edit bay. This post-production phase, this is where you actually prove your worth as an editor. For the voiceover, head over to Google AI Studio. Click on the playground, select speech and music, and type in this exact prompt. Read aloud in a warm and story tone for children. Then just paste in your Section 1 story script. Make absolutely sure you select the Gemini 3.1 TTS model for this. I'm telling you, the quality of this text-to-speech genuinely blows some of the insanely expensive paid tools completely out of the water. Once your voice is locked in, take your Section 5 music prompt, drop it into regular Google Gemini, and it's going to generate an original, royalty-free background music track that perfectly matches the mood of your script. And this brilliantly illustrates what happens when you pull everything into your CapCut timeline. The real work begins. Listen, the voiceover is almost never going to perfectly match your clip links out of the box. So first, tighten up the pacing by deleting all those silent gaps and weird breathing spaces in the audio track. If a video clip is still too short for the narration, here's a pro trick. Copy the clip, reverse the copy, and place it right next to the original for a seamless loop. Finally, drop your music track underneath and lower the volume to about 15%. You want it to add atmosphere, not drown out the story.
Finally, Part 5. The 1-minute shortcut and reality check. Fast alternatives and honest limitations.
Okay, so we've covered the professional pipeline, but what if a client is breathing down your neck and you're rushed? Well, there's a bonus tool out there for rapid prototyping. When you sign up with a new Google account, they hand you 110 free credits. A 1-minute video costs just 23 credits, which means you can instantly generate about 4 full videos without paying a single dime. Here's how you set that up. Paste your Section 1 story directly into their chat. Set the duration to that 1-minute free limit. For your models, pick Flux Klein 9B first and LTX2 as your secondary. But, and listen carefully to this crucial detail, you must manually type 16:9 aspect ratio into your prompt. If you skip this, the system stubbornly defaults to a vertical 9:6 video, and your widescreen project is totally ruined. All right, time for some harsh truths about this industry. Free doesn't mean effortless. It costs time. That 5-step pipeline we went over, that takes 30 to 60 minutes of real manual editing work. Character consistency is amazing, but again, it's only 80%, meaning you are going to be doing regenerations. You absolutely will have to fix timing issues manually in CapCut. And that fast bonus tool, it regularly crashes if you try to feed it reference images. Look, the difference between amateur hour and professional output is exactly the elbow grease you put into the assembly.
So I'm going to leave you with this question as you set up your workstation today. Are you willing to invest 60 minutes of your own elbow grease to save $52 a month and finally beat the system? You've got the tools, you've got the blueprint, and you know the exact steps. Now let's get to work and start generating some incredible video.